So here we have a MacBook Air, and it has water damage. Now it's already been tried to be turned on, so that's one thing you don't want to do when we have water damage, because that can ruin it. Now, the bits for the MacBook has this star. So we have to have, I don't know if you can see, but they have, it's a unique tool there that you need. So I'm just going to take these things off. Yeah, water's a killer for electronics. What you want to do, the best thing is, don't turn on, but yeah, open it up as soon as possible. And then you could just use a hairdryer or what have you and dry it up. So the two back ones are the long screws, and then all the other ones are just little short things here. Hopefully we can get this thing going. Alright. There we go. You can see the water droplets there. So, ooh, there's water everywhere. Oh, that's a lot of water. Okay. I'm just going to use a hairdryer. Hopefully we can get it going. Yeah, I can see some water damage down in here. Anything that kind of turns green is not good. You can see in here, green means rust. So we'll try to fix it. You never know. I'm just gonna let's see here. Fuses are okay. There's even corrosion on the little connectors on the board. Yeah. So here's the power connector right here underneath the scope, and you can see the kind of corrosion that we got here. This chip has been corroded there. Anything that is green, what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna use some isopropyl alcohol here, and we'll see if we can clean that up. That's not too bad. I just wanna, anywhere that, oh, this down in here, I think we're gonna have to solder that. Right now we'll just clean up. So see that little pin there, it doesn't look like it's connected, and it goes via to this via, so we'll have to check that out. Okay, we'll just clean up. All this kind of stuff. It's not. Yeah. Okay, this capacitor. Yeah. Connectors. This connector looks okay. We can test out these little diodes. Make sure that nothing is blown with that. So we have okay. Right here and here. So this diode's okay. This one looks okay. So yeah, definitely in here. This one leg right here is bare. So we're gonna have to solder that bad guy back up. Okay, let me get the soldering iron so that we can start putting little beads of solder. You can see that leg is just moving there. It's not even basically connected. Ooh, yeah, okay. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna solder up this bad guy here. Put a little bit of flux on there. And then just want to do this guy quick here. That's way too big of a blob. Okay, so I got that fixed. What was the other thing? Oh, right. This pin right here. I'll try to put the camera on an angle so we can actually kind of see that more. Okay, we're gonna put some flux. Okay. I just want to get that little copper guy right here. You can see that it's not silver, like it doesn't have some solder on it, because it looks like the solder got burnt right off of it. So this is pretty small. We'll go for it. Okay. Needs some more flux in there. Don't want to bridge it. Put some more flux. Okay, I don't know. Let's use the multimeter here. I think it's this guy here. Alright, that's okay. So it is connected to that pin. It is working. Okay. So I'm just gonna leave that there. That is okay. Let's clean it up a bit. It's right in here. These guys are some capacitors, and you can see the corrosion there. So let's try to clean up in between those. This will be like some sort of power rail. Yeah. Basically, electronics haven't changed much for many years. It's just things are getting a lot smaller, but you still have the same components, capacitors and stuff like that. So these guys right here are capacitors. I don't know why that's not coming off. The worst case scenario, you can always pull out your hard drive. Yeah. Underneath the CPU has lots of water. Okay. Another thing to clean up is cable. So this is the cable, and you can see that there was some corrosion on some of those pins here. Alright, I'm going to give it a whirl here. It's odd that I don't see a light. I think yeah, the CPU is super hot. Pretty sure she's fried. Yeah, it just reboots and flashes. So if you ever find that your computer has some water, don't turn on and then open it up and use a hairdryer to try to get that water out. So hopefully this has fixed your problem. If it has, give a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, I am an author as well on Amazon. So if you want to support the channel, you can go to amazon.com or .ca and type in my name. It's Benjamin Newson. And I've just recently published a couple books. My very first novel is called Heart of Stone. It's an interesting story about the end times, and this guy's having dreams, and then his dreams become real in a science fiction novel. I also have other book called Unlocking Your Mind about memory tricks for studying techniques, as I'm a teacher, so several years there. And over the Great Wall, I've written about my life experiences 7 years abroad in China. So have a good day, and I'll see you in the next repair video.